Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg and today we're going to take a look at the British pound Australian dollar. As you can see here, this is out on the daily. The pound has been pushing up quite nicely. We're in this upward channel and we've come off the lows here and we are dropped down to the 240. We are in a channel within a channel. Oh. As you can see here, we're still pushing up nicely. Series of high highs, lower lows, and we've just come off the bottom of the channel here. We've actually started to consolidate on a lower time frame. And we've just put in this little bit of a basing structure here. So essentially what I would like to see is for this channel to either continue up or continue down, and for us to get some kind of manipulation, a retest, maybe even another little push down just to draw in some more traders. Obviously this will draw in all the breakout traders going short. This will draw in all the retracement traders, and then I'll be looking for some type of failure before this rallying back up to the top of the channel with a view to it continuing higher. And if we do get that, I'll be looking to certainly continue it up to this midline and potentially up to the top of the channel too. However, I'll leave targets to your discretion, but that's certainly something I'll be looking at. Just waiting for this to develop a little bit more. I would imagine that some of the traders may have taken some profit off of here, but there will certainly be some swing traders positioned below this level with an accumulation of stops. So it would be nice if we can push down again, get a little push up before we push down. That will certainly ensure that there's an adequate amount of stops below this level, and then with this little 1-2 we should secure some more before proceeding north. Anyway traders, I hope you enjoy this type of analysis. If you do, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Trade safe. I'll see you in the next one.